Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, basta nag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang, okay? And kung meron po kayo naririnig na background noises Pisces, pasensya na po. And ang lahat po ng gender ay welcome sa ating reading. Babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, and yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, feminine or masculine, basta mag-resonate again, take nyo lang. Pag hindi, wag po natin ipilit, okay? So, ano po ang mensahe nyo po for Pisces? So, ano po ang mensahe nyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay, so there's the Devil, Capricorn. Pwede nyo dealing with the Capricorn, Pisces, the World, Three of Wands, Fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Three of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Two of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Seven of Swords. Okay. Lagay natin dito. Ito yung bottom of the deck natin. Gagamitin natin itong tarot cards ulit para to clarify this 5 cards na lumabas ngayon. Okay? So, pwede nyo dealing strongly with the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay? So, pwedeng nasa Sun, Moon, Rising mo to, Pisces. Or, pwede nyo dealing also with the Capricorn. Okay, or person mo na merong ganitong sign sa chart nila, okay? And air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, there's the Devil. The Devil represents something as toxic situation, okay? Something na manipulation, gaslighting, cheating, betrayal, kahit anong sitwasyon po dito na hindi ganun kagandahan yung mga nangyayari. Ito yon, okay? So, there's the Devil. Pero, sa lahat ng cards na nandito, ito lang medyo negative yung vibes. Pero, there is something na parang sa nararamdaman ko, matatapos tong ganitong sitwasyon, okay? So, kasi meron tayo ditong the World. And, there's the World, Three of Wands, and Two of Wands. So, there's something na distance sa inyo. Okay? Pwede nyo dealing with someone na medyo malayo kayo sa isa't isa, lalo na't merong pwedeng dagat or body of water na dadaanan nyo. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong parang dagat and merong kabilang isla, nakatanaw siya dun, okay? And dito naman sa Ace of Wands natin, meron ditong palasyo, pero sa napapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong parang ilog. And again, dito naman sa Two of Wands is merong dagat, okay? So, there's a distance, physical distance between the both of you or something na merong trabaho, opportunity, lalo na sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, Pisces, okay? So, maganda itong the World, Three of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Two of Wands natin dito. Okay? But you have to deal with your own self. Okay? With your own demons, Pisces. Kasi there's the Devil and Seven of Wands. Ito yung personal issues mo. And kailangan mo yung, kumbaga, i-improve pa in a better way, ha? Yung parang, yung pwedeng trust issues, okay, yung mga pagdududa, yung mga ginagawang, alam mo yun, medyo nakaka-down yung energies. Pwedeng kailangan mo yung i-keep up, Pisces, yung kumbaga parang kailangan mo yung trabahuin para maging better person, okay, kung sarili mo man to, kailangan mong maging, alam mo yun, pagtrabahuan, i-ano mo yung sarili mo to be a better person, and para ma-handle itong four cards natin dito, okay? Kung meron ka mang issues within yourself, especially yung mga past traumas na napapagdaanan nyo dati, okay? Yung mga cheating, yung mga betrayal, yung mga dishonesty, okay? Pwedeng nag-cause yun sa'yo ng trauma, and yun yung parang kailangan mong i-heal, okay? Yun yung gusto kong sabihin, kailangan mong i-heal within yourself, Pisces, okay? Pero kung sa sitwasyon man to, pero you're dealing with someone na physically distant, okay? Physically distant from you, magiging maganda yung kahihinatnan nito, okay? Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa trabaho kasi Ace of Wands represents something as parang gumagawa or merong ginagawa using hands, okay? Kumbaga, there's a handicraft, there's something na pwedeng trabaho to and mostly ginagamit yung kamay, okay? Kung hindi naman, pwedeng ito ay proposal, pwedeng ito ay gift, okay? Or something na, alam mo yun, yung para siyang bouquet of flowers, and ito yung parang magdadala sa'yo or magiging isa sa mga rason kung bakit merong traveling, okay? Pero wala naman tayo ditong, yung the chariot card, yun yung parang travel card, yun yung parang major sign na there's a travel involved. Pero dito sa 3 of Wands natin dito and 2 of Wands, there's a planning, okay? Planning to travel medyo malayo, okay? Distance, okay? So, clarify natin itong si the devil. Ano po ang clarifications for devil? Bakit po merong devil card? Ayun. So, yes. Betrayal, Pisces, betrayal, something na napagdaanan dati, okay? Ito yung mga sitwasyon, tao na gumawa sa'yo nito. And kailangan mong i-heal, kailangan mong maka-move on, kailangan mong, alam mo yun, yung parang i-keep up yung sarili mo dun, okay? Tanggalin yung mga past traumas, i-heal yung sarili. Kung kailangan, Pisces, kung isa to sa mga alam mo yun, makakatulong sa'yo itong trabaho to somewhere else na medyo malayo sa kung ano man yung napagdaanan dito, go for it, okay? Kung trabaho man to. Pero, kung meron itong connection sa love, sinabi ko kanina, there's a bouquet, there's something na offer, na merong plano to go somewhere else na medyo malayo, go for it, okay? As long as makapag-heal ka dun, okay? And malayo ito sa dalawang cards na nandito, okay? So, medyo mabigat itong unang cards and the clarifications of the devil. Pero always kung sinasabi, Pisces, everything happens for a reason, okay? And everything will fall into place, the situation will improve. Okay? Just trust the process. Trust God's process. Always ko po yan sinasabi sa inyo, okay? So, clarify natin itong see the world. Clarify. Ayun. Yes. There's an Ace of Cups, Pisces. After the betrayal, after the something na negative na nangyari from your past, eto na, dito na darating etong Ace of Cups with the World card, okay? The clarifications of the World card is Ace of Cups, Pisces, okay? So, merong darating after sa malaking unos dati. Eto na, dito na darating yung malakihang rainbow sa buhay mo, okay? After the rain, there's a rainbow, Pisces. So, eto na yon. Eto na yung magandang, kumbaga, opportunities, situations in life na matatanggap mo. Okay? So, kahit ano man to, pwedeng sa trabaho, pwedeng sa love, kasi Ace of Cups is Ace of Love, full of emotions, happiness, siksik-liklik, at umaapaw. Okay? Kahit ano man yang matrabaho man o mapalove, go for it, okay? Kasi tapos ka na dito, naka-move on ka na dito, or kailangan mong, alam mo yun, nalampasan mo na to, Pisces, nalampasan mo na to. Maybe there's some scars, merong mga peklat na, alam mo yun, naging sanhi, or I mean parang, anong tawag doon, yung parang, naging sugat, yung parang peklat, yung parang yun yung naging, outcome sa mga napagdaanan mo dati, it's okay. Okay? Maybe you can look, Okay ba? Tingnan mo ulit yung mga napagdaanan mo dati and make that as an inspiration, Pisces, for you to move forward. Okay? Gawin yun para maging inspirasyon pa, para maging mabuting tao, mas gumawa ng mas maayos na decisions in life. And, everything happens for a reason. Okay? Trust God's process. Always yan. Okay? Trust God's timing. And ito na yun, see the world and Ace of Cups. Okay? So, clarify natin itong si Three of Wands. Ano po ang clarifications for Three of Wands? Actually, hindi na siya dapat i-clarify kasi pare-pareho na yung Three of Wands. Ayun. So, Seven of Cups and Nine of Wands. Okay. So, kung ano man yung mga minamanifest mo dati, ang dami mong gustong mangyari, ang dami mong gustong hinahangad, okay? And abot kamay mo na siya, Pisces. Abot kamay mo na siya. Pero again, hindi mo pa rin maiiwasan yung takot, yung pagdududa, yung parang, okay ba to? Kaya ko ba to? Tama ba to? Okay? Kasi andito yung Nine of Wands mo. And ito ka, Pisces. Okay? Naka-bandage ka pa. Halatang ang dami mong napagdaanan dati. Okay, halatang ang dami mo napagdaanan dati. Pero kung ano man tong minamanifest mo lang dati, Pisces, halos abot kamay mo na. Okay, iaabot na sa'yo. Meron tayo ditong kamay and meron din tayo ditong kamay. Pareho itong inaabot sa'yo. So, you have to tanggapin mo to. Okay? Walain yung takot mo. You have to keep this situation within yourself. Okay? Kumbaga, i-heal mo muna yung sarili mo. Kailangan mong pagtrabahuan yon para sa sarili mo. Your inner self. Okay? You have to heal your inner child, Pisces. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga past traumas mo na yun. Okay? Kasi maganda yung darating for you. There's an Ace of Wands and there's an Ace of Cups together with the World, Three of Wands and Two of Wands. Okay? So, clarify din natin itong si Ace of Wands. Ano po ang clarifications for Ace of Wands? Ano po ang clarifications for Ace of Wands? Seven of Pentacles. Oh, meron tayo ditong tatlong 7, Pisces. 7 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords. So, pwedeng nakakakita ka ng 7, 777, Pisces. Pero 777 is a lucky number. Okay? Magandang number yun. And, pwedeng you can look it through online, Pisces, kung ano po yung ibig sabihin ng 777. Okay? So, pwedeng nakakakita ka nun ng angel number na 777. And, yes, ang dami mong napagdaanan, ang dami mong iniisip, nababother ka, minsan yung, alam mo yun, yung mga bagay na dumadating sa'yo, o yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon, nag-overthink ka, iniisip mo, okay, hindi mawala-wala yung pagdududa, yung takot because of what you have experienced from your past, okay, so, meron kang kailangang ayusin sa sarili mo, Pisces, kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng dumadating sa'yo. Sobrang ganda, okay? And wag mong hayaang mag-slip to sa kamay mo, Pisces. Kung inabot na to sa'yo, grab it. Kasi baka sa iba pa itong mapunta para to sa'yo. Okay? So, grab the opportunity, pero at the same time, i-heal mo yung sarili mo. Okay? I-heal mo yung sarili mo from the situation. Tingnan mo, sinabi ko kanina, Pisces, the chariot card represents something as the major sign na there's a travel, and eto na yon. Okay. So, there's a big sign for you, Pisces, na there's a travel na mangyayari, there's a traveling na mangyayari. Okay, I'm so happy na sobrang, alam mo yun, masaya ako na lumabas to itong card na to, because this is the biggest sign for your, Pisces, na after this planning, after these opportunities and love na lumalabas dito sa cards natin ngayon, lumabas itong si the Chariot, and this is your biggest sign for you to receive, Pisces, na there's a travel involved for you. It's either alam mo man to o hindi, pero merong travel na mangyari para sa'yo, or there is someone na magta-travel towards you. Take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate, okay? And again, pwedeng merong distance between the both of you. Kunin natin itong bottom of the deck natin dito, which is the Chariot. Okay, so, sobrang, alam mo yun, sobrang ganda ng reading natin yun. Sobrang ganda. Okay, parang from past to future siya. Okay? Hindi man ganun kagandahan yung past, pero magiging sobrang ganda ng future mo, Pisces. Okay? So, clarify natin itong si Two of Wands. Ano po ang clarifications for Two of Wands? It's either ikaw yung magta-travel, Pisces, for love or opportunity, career, or there is someone na magta-travel sa'yo. Okay? Ilan to? 4. Sige, clarify natin itong si Two of Wands. The High Priestess. This is you, Pisces. Okay? This is you. Ang lakas ng intuition mo. And there's a Ten of Pentacles. Oh, okay. Medyo mabigat itong dalawang cards natin dito. So, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Family, commitment, and money. Okay? So, there's a long-term commitment na mangyayari for you, Pisces. Pwedeng ito yung dala ng Two of Wands na nandito and meron itong connection sa family. It's either this is your family or there is someone na merong connection sa pamilya. Okay. Pero, ito na. Si Three of Swords and Ten of Wands. Actually, hindi ko na siya kailangan pang i-explain pa further. Kasi kitang-kita nyo naman medyo mabigat, okay? So, sige nga, clarify natin itong si Three of Wands and si Three of Swords and si Ten of Wands, okay? Ayun. Okay. So, there's a Six of Pentacles. After this situation, Pisces, tingnan nyo, nabibigatan siya, nahihirapan siya, nasasaktan siya emotionally, and nahihirapan physically. I mean, parang yung mga responsibilities sa pamumuhay, okay, whatever na ginagawa sa pang-araw-araw, and dinidil yun din yung past traumas sa nangyari dati, okay, ang dami mong pinagdaanan. There is someone na tutulong sa'yo, Pisces, okay, or pwedeng ikaw makakatulong ka sa sarili mo, okay. Six of Pentacles, kitang-kita merong maayos na pananamit, marangyang tao na nagbibigay, tumutulong sa mga tao nandito. Okay? And yung pagbigay niya, Pisces, is pantay. Meron siyang hawak na scale and pantay yung scale niya. So, it represents as genuine help, genuine love, genuine care, okay, concern with these people, with this person, okay. So, maganda yung clarifications with Ten of Wands and Three of Swords kasi Six of Pentacles, okay. So, nabawi yung negative, medyo mabigat na energies dito with this Six of Pentacles right here, okay. So again, everything happens for reason and there is something na darating for Pisces and merong travel na involved, okay. It's either you will travel or this person will travel, pero at the end of the day, magiging maganda yung outcome ng sitwasyon na nandito. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung konektado sa reading natin ngayon. Okay? Meron tayo dito, letter J. It's either ikaw yung letter J, Pisces, or dealing with someone na may letter J. Chat, text, or tawag. Company. So, pwedeng meron ka matatanggap na tawag, text, or chat from the company. Okay? And bahay, younger, okay, letter H, long hair, may dimple, letter U, UHJ, photos, okay, matangos ang ilong, straight hair, meron pa dito friend, and W. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong W, U, HJ, chat, text, tawag, matangos ang ilong, company, photos, may dimple, straight hair, boyfriend, bahay, and long hair. Okay? So, yun lang po Pisces ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button Pisces for mga susunod na uploads natin. Okay? So, thank you Pisces and God bless!